Hey guys, welcome back to Wild Sage Schoolhouse. I'm so glad you guys decided to join us. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what a typical homeschool day for us looks like. So stay tuned. It is almost 8:30 and all the kids are up. So normally when I get up in the morning, most of the time I try to get up before them so that way I can have a little bit of time to myself, have my coffee, just make sure the day is planned out or work out in the morning. I just started working out again, so that's kind of been my priority in the morning when I wake up. But my husband's home taking some time off from work, so all the kids are up and I'm about to go in the living room, fix everybody breakfast, and we're just gonna get the day started as a family today. So usually after breakfast or after anything, that we have going on in the morning, I like to get ready for the day. That does not always mean that I'm going to put makeup on or, a fancy dress or something like that. That's just how I was feeling today. But either way, I like to get dressed so that way if we have to go anywhere, I'm ready to go. And then also it just makes me feel better to be dressed and ready for the day. So today was great because baby was tired right before we were ready to start school. So that worked out. Got him laid down and got my water all fixed. I'm ready to go for school. I'm trying to stay hydrated, so that's been a big thing this year. I am ready for the day. And the kids are actually just finishing up cleaning their rooms. So I am going to go in the schoolroom and I'm going to get everything ready for the day. So that way when they come out, we have got the table already. Nobody needs to ask any questions about where anything is because it's already right there in front of them. We don't have things prepared like this every single day. Things happen and that's life. But I do try, when we do school consistently, I try to make sure that I have things set out for them so that way we can just get right into it. We don't have to waste any time, and I feel like that helps have less arguments. So I like to try and have us sitting down and at least doing morning basket by 10:30 at the latest. There are times when we've started before that, and I love those days, but for the most part, we usually on average start around between 10 and 10:30 a.m. Oliver Twist. Long ago, most towns had a workhouse where people in desperate need were given food and shelter. How would that make you feel if you lived that life?
Sad.
Why would it make you sad?
Because I won't survive without other food.
Exactly. So you think that he's going to do something bad to Oliver? Okay. All right, so we'll keep those in mind. So you said you think that
he's going to take his food.
You said you think that
he's going to steal my clothes.
Okay. So I think that he's going to maybe entice him to join a gang and run the streets and do bad things. Once we're done with group work and morning basket, nature study, anything of that sort, I have them work semi-independently, and then I fix them a snack or lunch that they can have with their work. So what would the worlds be? What number are the worlds? Okay, so what two numbers equal 30 is what you need to figure out.
What?
And they have to be, so half of 30 is what?
15.
Okay.
15 plus 15 equals 30.
All right, there you go. So what would those two pennies be?
15.
Hello, Pumpkin. Hi. Did you sleep good? You ready for a snack? We are not done with school, but I fixed him a nice tray of food, and so I'm gonna sit him in there with us, and he's gonna eat and watch us do school. Towards the end of our day, we always switch over to iPad learning, and so we are using the Plugo. This one is for reading comprehension and spelling, and then math. The girls love these. They're super easy to use, and there's also an app for parents to download. I'll put the information for this in the description box. Okay, so it is 12:58. So everybody's working independently. For now, we're almost done with the school day, but while they do that, I am gonna take a little bit of time. I'm gonna fix myself a second cup of coffee, and I am going to bust out this kitchen and get all the dishes clean that we had from breakfast and lunch. Okay, so the kitchen is clean and reset. Got the kids wrapping up with their electronic learning stuff. And we are gonna move on to reading. So that is one of my goals this year, to focus on reading, have her reading every day and writing a summary or typing a summary. I try to switch it up because sometimes she doesn't want to write, but either way, we are reading. We are doing learning reading comprehension, and we are gonna stick to that. That is the goal. So like I said, everybody's wrapping it up right now, and we are getting ready to move on to the last subject of the day. Layla, stop.
Okay.
Roll your eyes at me again. Roll your eyes at me again. I'm asking you to do something simple that we are doing together. So the least you could do is be respectful of what I'm asking you. Do you understand? You are okay to have your emotions, but what you're not okay to do is be disrespectful to me. Okay? Am I being rude to you? I'm here to help. I'm not upset with you. Do you remember this word? Okay, let's be done for the day. Okay? You did a good job. Okay? Hey, it's hard. You're learning something new. We're done for the day. You did a great job. You got this. Do you need a hug? I love you. You got this, okay? And we have finished. We are done with our homeschool day. It is 2:30. We're like actually right on time because I usually like to be done by between 2 and 2:30. So we got everything cleaned up. The girls just went outside to ride their bikes. The boy is taking a nap. Daddy is in there with him, just hanging out for a little bit. My husband is he's been off work for a few days, so we've really enjoyed having him home. It's been nice, honestly. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you guys got a good idea for how we do things around here when it comes to school days. There will be plenty more videos and more chances to ask your questions and have them answered. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified. I post 2 to 3 times a week about all things homemaking, homeschooling, and motherhood. So I hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed week. Bye.